Hello, Peter Van the DentFix guy, here with another one of our new tools, our DF-SPR BRAD, or BRAD, for blind rivet adapter. This is an adapter for our self-piercing riveting guns. Our SPR67 is shown here, or our SPR69. It'll work on either of them. Very easy to use. Just take your riveter. In your universal set of dies that came with your riveter, take one of the D17 dies, which is the flattening dies, install it onto the end of the riveter without an extension. So before you put your brad on, put a little bit of spray lubricant onto a towel, clean out the inside real good. You'll see a little bit of dirt and debris can get in there while it's being shipped and stored, and it'll make it go on smoother. Always a good idea to clean the mounting head of your riveter on a regular basis too. You've got your receiving hole, your notch, and your pin. So we're going to need to flip this guy over. Give it a little twist. Now, you got to make sure that it lines up to the receiving hole. It will slide back a little further than it needs to, but once it does, put your lock pin in, and you've installed your brad. Attach your air hose. You can probably already see one of the great advantages of this tool is you don't have a whole riveter that you need to put into those tight little areas of the car to drive it to blind rivet. You've got a 2-foot cable with just the head of the blind rivet adapter that you need to fit into small spots. So you can get blind rivets into much tighter areas than you can with any other riveter. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different dies for the different size of blind rivets that you're going to use. In this case, you pick the one that it fits in smoothly. This one's the biggest one. This is a Ford rivet for an F-150. Install your blind rivet. You still have your speed control and your pressure control, just like always. Power and of course release. Put your blind rivet into the hole, pull the trigger, and you've got a blind rivet installed. Make sure after you install your blind rivet, you push the release bar and shake out the mandrel from your first rivet before you install another rivet. The DF-SPR BRAD, or BRAD, the ultimate in blind rivet installation.